Hello students, we continue with our inspection on crystals. Integration Celestial Quartz. The chakra correspondences the Earth star and other chakras depending on color. The physiological correspondences is brain cells, pineal gland, according to color. Remember to refer these to our chakras. The vibration is high to exceptionally high. Celestial Quartz is an anchor for the New Age and a guidebook for the soul's path. This crystal holds pure consciousness within its folds and a new cellular order within its structure, as you can see. Celestial Quartz rapidly expands your spiritual evolution, preparing the light and physical bodies and stabilizing energy shifts. This master healer balances the body and facilitates karmic and etheric purification. Working on multidimensional levels, it restructures energy fields and allows the full potential of DNA to be activated by cellular membranes. It also helps prevent stress, nightmares, and depression. A smoky celestial energetically soaks up ill effects of radiation or chemotherapy and transmutes toxicity into healing dark light. Place it over the site of pain or trauma. In its other color, Amethyst Celestial makes an excellent stabilizing grid, bringing transmutational forces and creating a calm center where the soul can take refuge as it raises our vibrational shifts. It helps to get rid of similar patterns that have repeated lifetime after lifetime, and it frees members to choose new pathways. Hold Celestial to understand the breadth of your soul and experiences and to recognize that inner work, no words or deeds, propels a spiritual evolution. This compassionate crystal will help you heal ancient heartbreak, dissolving toxic emotions, and sets you free to love again. The Eternal Love Emerald. The power of successful love. The chakra correspondent is the third eye and the heart. The physiological correspondences are eyes, sinuses, lungs, spine, muscles, heart, pancreas, liver, lymphatic system, and malignant conditions. Its vibration is very earthy. In the 17th century, Shakespeare referred to emerald's power to soothe the eyes. The deep green emerald, in whose fresh regard weak signs their sickly radiance do amend. In 1584, Ivan the Terrible believed that emerald, being of the nature of the rainbow, was an enemy of uncleanliness. Magical legends have long been associated with this rare and precious gemstone. According to Hebrew tradition, serpents that look on it went blind. Pliny the philosopher comments on emerald's use as magnificent lens and tells us that nothing in nature compared to the stone's intense green. The Incas prized the crystal highly as representing the green earth. When taken prisoner by Pizarro in 1532, the last Inca king wore a crown set with the 453 emeralds weighing 1,523 carats, which is about 10 ounces. In the Middle Ages, the crystal was placed beneath the tongue to induce prophetic vision. It is linked with the Archangel Ophaniel and rules the realm of the cherubim. The ancient Greek philosopher Theophrastus tells us emerald was good for eyes, imparting visual clarity. Crystal workers still use emerald to soothe inflamed eyes and to stimulate sight and insight. The early Persians used it to restore their craftsmen overtaxed eyesight and to heal stomach and liver ailments. Traditionally, it prevented epilepsy and calmed the spirit, which was said to sweat in the presence of poison. It may help to detoxify and stimulate the liver, aiding excretion of poisons from the body via the lymphatic system. Emerald symbolizes immortality and rebirth. This stone provides enormous inspiration on the spiritual path, and it gives you patience to pass through challenges, promoting friendship and unconditional love. Emerald enhances relationships at all levels, keeping partnerships in harmony. The power of emerald was traditionally harnessed to see into the future and to ensure a fortuitous rebirth. Wear emerald to attract successful love and keep the ones you have found there. This stone has long been believed to ensure a happy marriage. The power of the breath of life. Important power, flint. The chakra correspondence is the earth star, base sacral, and soul star. The vibration, as you can see, is extremely earthy. Highly prized in the ancient world, flint held the essence of fire, the magical element without which life could not exist. From a tiny spark and a whisper of breath, the magical transmutation from rock into flame occurred. Cornelius Agrippa, a 15th century German magician, speaks with awe of fiery sylphs, flintstones that created fire and thunderbolts. Flint symbolized the power of the earth made manifest. Around the world, flint objects were placed in ancient graves, many in pristine condition, indicating their purpose was to be ritualistic. An acoustic, resonant stone, flint was believed to open the portal between the worlds and give the soul tools to negotiate to the other world. Traditionally, flint connects to the green man, earth mysteries, the heart of Mother Earth, and power animals. It balances masculine and feminine to create the sacred inner marriage. Use flint to facilitate rites of passage through life. Flint cleanses the aura and the chakras. 200 years ago, homeopathic dilutions of flint treated chronic ulcers or abscesses and scrofulous troubles of the joints or bones. Flint assists with detoxification and pain release, and its shards facilitate etheric surgery and cauterization. It cuts through blockages, past life ties, and chakra connections that you have outgrown. This stone is a powerful earth healer. Flint stands at the portal between the material and spiritual worlds. With Flint's assistance, you will remember your soul, bringing together fragmentations and lost memories so that your journey home through the portal of your true self will be successful. Comb the aura a foot or so above, from, and around the physical body with flint to remove energetic disease and raise your energetic frequency. The power of the warrior and strength, fluorite. Chakra correspondences of fluorite are heart and the higher heart. Although it stabilizes all chakras, the vibration is really earthy. Fluorite is what makes your teeth and bones strong. We all know that. But fluorite was mined in ancient times. Let us know about its legendary properties due to problems identifying with the stones in ancient lapidaries referred to what they spoke of rainbow hue or soft banded green and so on. Cups made of blue john, a type of fluorite dating from ancient Roman times, have been found. Known as fluorspar, fluorite was occasionally mentioned in medieval lapidaries, but seems to have it largely overlooked as a magical gem. The noted gemologist G.F. Kampf describes an early 18th century scientific experiment performed in Germany to demonstrate the effects of crystals on a sensitive person. The psychic chosen was Friedrich Hoff, known as the Series of Pribors. She felt nothing from the first few stones. On coming into contact with fluorite, however, Hoff experienced deep muscle relaxation and entered a somnambulistic state. Today, this energy is stabilized in stone and is used to mobilize joints and heal muscle spasms. A protective crystal. Fluoride helps you recognize when detrimental external influences are at work and draws off negativity. Place it on your computer to absorb electromagnetic smog. If your energy has become disorganized, fluoride quickly brings your subtle physical bodies back into order. It also facilitates information processing. Regarded as a natural antiviral today, immune stimulator, and anti-inflammatory agent, fluoride restores order to the body, particularly on the lungs and bones. Crystal workers use it to relieve muscle and joint pain and to reduce swelling and inflammation associated with arthritis and allied conditions. Placed over the thymus, it counteracts colds and flu. Put it under your pillow to heal night terrors and sleep paralysis and to prevent unwanted out-of-body trips. Blue fluoride balances energy, sedating or energizing as required, and it focuses on brain activity. Yellow fluoride detoxifies the body and the emotions. Fluoride helps disorganized people to think straight and get their lives back on track. If you are under any illusions, fluoride dissolves them so that you can make objective decisions. If you need more stability in your life, mind, body, or emotions, carry fluoride at all times to give you inner strength. I'll see you in the next video, in which we're going to start talking about rainbow quartz and other beautiful gems.